Hi viewers, good morning. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, students, my viewers, Shatao, Assalamu alaikum, Rajahao, Privet, Sabal Khair, Marhaba, Dhanyawad, Ji Ayanu. My students, viewers, guys and girls, today we are going to view the change of voice. Voice is a common factor. It is used in speaking as well as in academic studies. The voice has two parts. First part is the active voice and the second part is the passive voice. Active voice phrases and sentences are used in speaking as well as in academic studies, and there are certain methods, there are certain rules that apply, and by applying those rules we change active voice to passive voice. So we have a few sentences of different sentences. We have phrases, so of different tenses. Let's see these sentences and phrases and read them out and try to make a practice and view and view and master the rules that apply for the changing active voice to passive voice. Let's start up here. Here you see the first one is its active voice statement. Moin is helping her. Moin is helping her. Moin is helping her. Moin is helping her. This is a positive statement and it's a present continuous tense. This is a positive active voice statement in present continuous tense. Moin is helping her. Moin is helping her. Moin उसकी मदद कर रहा है. Moin is helping her. Moin is helping her. Moin उसकी मदद कर रहा है. Hey guys, my students, you see the first statement. It's in present continuous tense. Moin is helping her. Moin is helping her. Moin उसकी मदद कर रहा है. Let's see how it's gonna change into passive voice. आइए देखते हैं कि ये पैसिव में इसकी तब्दीली कैसे होगी. Let's see up here. यहाँ पे देखिए. You look here. That PV. You see here that she is being helped by me. That PV you see here. She is being helped by me. Now you see that when we change the active to passive, first of all we replace subject and object with each other. We change the subject and object, and we change the subject and object, and then according to the sentence we add helping verb and additional support and third form of principal verb used in active voice, and then we use conjunction of connector, and then we rewrite the object. Here you see that in active mean is a subject, and in passive mean has here as an object. So when we change active voice sentences to passive, so by rules the subject and object replace each other, they change their positions, they change their origins, they change their positions, and you see that her, her is object here, and its subjective form is she. So when we write down the passive voice, we have to put here she, subjective form of her. So this is the first step. Then we will write helping verb base, and to keep on the continuity, because it's a present continuous tense, rule says that we have to add being after s. So we have added being in this tense, and now the third form of principal verb, which is help, and we have here help, and now conjunction of connector by, and at the end as an object we had green here. So you see that you change new passive voice statement. She is being helped by me. She is being helped by me. She is being helped by me. उसकी मदद मुइन से की जा रही है. She is being helped by me. She is being helped by me. She is being helped by me. उसकी मदद मुइन से की जा रही है. Hey you guys, you saw the two statements. First is in active voice. First is in active voice. Moin is helping her. Moin is helping her. When we change this statement to the passive voice, so subject and object will change their positions. Her will stand as a subject and its subjective form is she. So she is being helped by Moin. She is being helped by Moin. After writing she, we have to write this, and by rules we have to add being and then the third verb form of principal verb help. She is being helped by Moin. After the third verb form, we will write conjunction or connector by, and after writing by, we will write the Moin subject of active voice statement, that is the mean. So Moin is object here. So new statement, let's read it out. New passive voice statement here. See that she is being helped by Moin. 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 उसकी मदद मोइन से की जा रही है. Let's see the next statement in active voice. You see the next statement in active voice. You see, guys, my students, Granny gave me $100. 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 दादी अम्मा ने मुझे $100 दिए. Granny gave me $100. Bucks means dollars. Granny gave me $100. दादी अम्मा ने मुझे $100 दिए. You see that Granny is a subject, gave is a second verb form, is a past tense, me is an object, and 100 bucks is extension to the predicate. So Granny gave me 100 bucks. Granny gave me 100 bucks. दादी अम्मा ने मुझे $100 दिए. So this is a past tense, past indefinite tense. Granny gave me 100 bucks. दादी अम्मा ने मुझे $100 दिए. So here see the active voice phrase, my students. Viewers बताओ. Granny gave me 100 bucks. Granny gave me 100 bucks. दादी अम्मा ने मुझे $100 दिए. Now see how it's gonna change into passive voice. Let's see how it will change into passive. Here you see that the passive voice statement. You see that here you see in active. Granny gave me 100 bucks. Me is an object. So when we write down the passive, so me will stay as a subject. So subjective form of me is I. We will write here I. Subjective form of me is I. We will write here I because it is a past tense. So by rules we have to add was. If the subject is a singular, so we have to write a was. So we write here was. I was. Now third form of principal verb that is given. All in passive statements, third verb form is to be written. So I was given 100 bags. I was given 100 bags by Granny. I was given 100 bags by Granny. I was given 100 bags by Granny. दादी अम्मा से मुझे $100 दिए गए. दादी अम्मा से मुझे $100 दिए गए. I was given मुझे दिए गए 100 bags $100 by Granny. दादी अम्मा से मुझे $100 दिए गए. I was given 100 bags by Granny. I was given 100 bags by Granny. And our active voice statement is Granny gave me 100 bags. Granny gave me 100 bags. Hey my students, you saw the active voice statement. Granny gave me 100 bags. Granny gave me 100 bags. दादी अम्मा ने मुझे $100 दिए. When we change it into the passive, we have to make me as a subject. So subjective form of me is I. So after I, we have to write first form of was because subject is a singular. So we write here was. By rules we have to add was. I was given. Now we will write the third form of verb give, that is given. I was given 100 bags. I was given 100 bags by Granny. By Granny. So in passive the Granny will be written here as an object. So I was given 100 bags by Granny. I was given 100 bags by granny. I was given 100 bags by granny. दादी अम्मा से $100 मुझे दिए गए. This is the passive. Let's read out the next statement. Here see the next example. Active voice phrase you see here. Ellie bought a new house. 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 Ellie is a subject. Bought is the second verb form of buy, and a new house is an object. Ali bought a new house. Ali bought a new house. Ali ने एक नया घर खरीदा. This is a past indefinite tense. Ali ने एक नया घर खरीदा. Ali bought a new house. Ali bought a new house. Ali ने एक नया घर खरीदा. In this active voice statement, you see that Ali is a subject and bought is a verb form, second form of buy, and a new house is an object. New house is an object here. So when we change it to the passive subject, Ali and a new house bought object will change their places. They will change their places. So here you see that when we write the passive, we will write here a new house. A new house will stand here as a subject. A new house will stand here as a subject in PV. In PV statement, we will write a new house as a subject, and because it's a singular subject, so we have to add was. By rules, we have to add was. A new house was. Now third form of bought, by is bought. A new house was bought by Ellie. By Ellie. A new house was bought by Ellie. A new house was bought by Ellie. A new house was bought by Ellie. एक नया घर अली से खरीदा गया. A new house was bought by Ellie. A new house was bought by Ellie. एक नया घर अली से खरीदा गया. Hey guys, you saw the passive statement. A new house. A new house is a subject, and was is added by rules. Was bought by Ellie. A new house was bought by Ellie. एक नया घर अली से खरीदा गया. Hey guys, these are the changes which we apply, and by applying these rules, we change the passive, active voice statements to passive voice. So let's read them out once again. आइए एक बार दोबारा से पढ़ते हैं. You see the first one is Moin is helping her. 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 This is active voice, present continuous tense. Moin is helping her. Moin is helping her. Full stop. Moin उसकी मदद कर रहा है. Let's see it's changed into passive voice. She is being helped by Moin. 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 उसकी मदद मोइन से की जा रही है. She is being helped by Moin. She is being helped by Moin. उसकी मदद मोइन से की जा रही है. Let's read out the next statement. In active voice, you see the next active voice statement. Granny gave me 100 bags. 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 दादी अम्मा ने मुझे $100 दिए. Now see it's change. You see it's change in passive. I was given 100 bags by Granny. 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 दादी अम्मा से मुझे $100 दिए गए. I was given 100 bags by Granny. I was given 100 bags by Granny. दादी अम्मा से मुझे $100 दिए गए. Let's proceed to the next phrase, to next statement. Active voice statement. Here see the next active voice statement is Ellie bought a new house. 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 This is past indefinite tense. Ellie bought a new house. Ali ने एक नया घर खरीदा. Ellie bought a new house. Ellie bought a new house. Ali ने एक नया घर खरीदा. Let's see its change. Let's see how it's gonna change into passive voice. You see here a new house. A new house was bought by Ellie. 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 एक नया घर अली से खरीदा गया. A new house was bought by Ellie. A new house was bought by Ellie. एक नया घर अली से खरीदा गया. Hey, my students, these are very interesting phrases. This is the voice. Voice is always in two parts. First is in active part and second is in passive. So we have made a practice with these statements of active voice and passive voice, and we also viewed the rules that apply for these changes. Please memorize all these changes and rules and keep on watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and do give your comments. I will see you again. Goodbye.